I see it all the time na yung mga freelancers, iniintindi muna nila yung pag-build ng perfect portfolio. So, nag-stock sila ng mga certificates, ganun. Maasa na may mga clients na mag-really reach out. Pero, sa totoo lang, walang business owner na nag-care about your certification. So, they care about one thing, them. Hindi mo mapoprove yan, hindi ka ma-hire. So today, I'm giving you the exact script na pwede mong magamit to land you clients even if you have zero experience. Ito ang mga freelancers na kahit walang certificates, walang website, makaklose sila ng mga $500 to $1,000 per month or mas malaki pa. Like it was nothing. So, nalaman ko yung secret nila. So, they knew how to get clients, and that's what I'm about to teach you. So the strategy to get client is, instead of waiting for clients that magically appear para magkaroon ka ng client, is you need to start reaching out to the business owners. Pero hindi siya spammy or salesy, diba? You can craft a simple, non-cringy message na personal at saka hindi siya robotic. Tapos, focus siya dapat dun sa business needs noong mismong business owner and hindi dun sa mismong skill mo lang. Tapos, of course, kailangan mag-offer ka ng risk-free way para ma-prove mo na matutulungan mo talaga sila. So, here's the exact script na pwede mong magamit. If magsasend ka via email, you can use a quick question. For example, subject is quick question lang. O kaya, quick question about, tapos yung pangalan ng kanilang brand. If mag-reach out ka naman via DM, kailangan short and casual lang. So, this is just an example na pwede mong magamit. So, I came across with your brand and love what you're doing with. Kung ano yung ginagawa nila. For example, more on fashion, tapos eco-friendly, mga ganyan. So, I'm a Facebook ad strategist and I noticed na you're not running ads. Would you be open to a quick chat? I'd love to show you how I can help you. For example, increasing sales or grow your brand. Even if we start with free test campaign para makita mo yung real results first. So, no pressure. Just let me know if you're open to it. Either way, keep up the great work. So, yun yung pinaka mismong laman nung isasend mong message. So, bakit siya nag-work? Kasi it's very personal. You mentioned something about their business. Hindi siya salesy kasi you're not forcing anything. And it's a risk-free kasi you're offering a free test campaign to build trust. Paano kung magkakaroon ng reply? So, you sent the message. Ano yung sunod, diba? Of course, magpa-follow up tayo but not in the desperate way. If walang reply after 2-3 days, pwede mong sabihin to. So, just checking in, tapos totally understand if now is not the right time, so no rush, ganyan. And then, move to a quick call, not a sales pitch. If interested sila, nag-reply sila dun sa DM mo or sa email mo, pwede ka mag-suggest ng 10 to 15 minute casual chat. I can share some quick insights on how businesses like yours are using Facebook ads. Tapos, ano yung magiging benefit nila using that service? No commitment. So, magbibigay ka lang ng value muna. Now, kapag okay and na-close mo siya doon, you can offer a test campaign for free. Pwede kang sabihin mo kay client na we can run ad with a $5 per day or maybe kung dito sa local, 250 pesos per day, mga ganyan. Pag umayos siya, you can offer maybe 2-3 weeks free and then you can screenshot the results and you have the case study. If you want to get clients in the fastest way, you can open Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Pwede kang maghanap ng 5 businesses in your niche. For example, sa akin ay e-commerce. Hindi ako nag-niche down masyado na parang under e-commerce is more on jewelry lang o kaya fashion. So, anything, basta e-commerce. So, copy-paste the outreach message. So, hinay-hinay lang kasi baka maging spammy ka. And you can now send it. Most people na nanonood ng mga ganitong valuable videos never take action. But for those people who do, they get results. Anyway, yun lang naman. And if you would like to get this script, then let me know in the comment section and I will share it in the description below.